Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on the brand new product from Charlotte Tilbury. This is Magic Cream Light. And as the name suggests, it is a magic cream, but in a much lighter format than the original product, which really is such a good product. If you're not aware of it, then well, shame on you. That's the original product, comes in the gorgeous jar. And of course, you lather it on your face and you are instantly transformed into a goddess. So, what is the difference really between this and the actual cream, and do you need it as an addition or instead of? So Magic Cream Light is a lighter version of the original I keep saying cream foundation, the original Magic Cream. It's a much lighter texture. Those of you with very oily skins or normal to oily skins will feel that this feels much more comfortable on your skin, and those of you who are concerned with using a heavier cream on skins that may break out, you may prefer this formula. Now, as is true of all Charlotte Tilbury products, they are obviously good. They come with a whole bunch of hyperbole. You know, 92% of the people that tested this product said that they ended up looking 12 after 2 weeks. There's no need, I feel, not just with Charlotte Tilbury products, but in general, there's no need for all of this. 92% said their skin felt instantly hydrated. Who are these people? What do they look like? What is their age group? Does anyone even know? Because none of that information is really ever said. So I find it all absolute bollocks. But what I am very pleased to report is actually incredibly fabulous, this cream. So it is a much lighter texture. There is no doubt it's a lighter texture. And I've got a glorious spot right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it is gorgeous. And this goes on the skin, and it does go on so much more in a much more beautiful way, because it's not as heavy and as thick. Now, generally speaking, I actually really like the original, and this isn't, I don't think this is better or worse. I think it is a great addition for those of you who want a lighter base for your foundations and concealers that will follow. Now, generally speaking, the more foundation and powder you use, the more moisturiser you do want for your skin to compensate that. But this product contains 50 ml of product and contains an SPF of 20. So if you're going to use it as an SPF, which you are almost certainly not going to, it's going to last you probably around about 40 days. But with a normal usage, you will get a good 3 months of product out of this with a couple of pumps. So we're going to add another pump, and then we're just going to stick something over it. Now, the beautiful thing with the Magic Cream is that because the base is so light reflective, that any foundation that you apply over it just looks beautiful, and it really does. And it is such an iconic product already. I mean, it really, really is. And I'm not just saying that because I'm, have a warm feeling towards Charlotte Tilbury, which I do. I just think it's such an incredible product. So let's just put something over it. So, oh, that's so lovely. That's it. Just highlight that. Really highlight that spot, Wayne. I think you should. Oh, I've done it. Too late. Right, I'm just going to stick some mineral foundation over that, because I think mineral foundation is very, very good. And I know a lot of people don't particularly care for it, but I really like it. I really like it. So we're just going to buff it on, hope for the best, because you just don't know, do you? I mean, what's the worst that could happen? You could look absolutely revolting. There you go. So we're just going to buff this all over the face, and that big old red and Sally cheek is now gone, and left in its place is just the faint hue of a summer's morning. Now that should be on the back of a product. What will this do for you? It will make you look like the faint whiff of a summer's morning. Okay? There you go. Now, I don't know if you can see, but it's bloody lovely. Everything goes on much better with Magic Cream. It really, really does. And I think this is such a beautiful product. Now, would I swap? No, I wouldn't. But then again, I don't need to, because I have both. And I feel very, very lucky for that. But if I could pick one, I'd probably pick the original, because I just really like that extra emolliency. But for very oily skin types or those that really don't like the heavy feeling of creams, you're going to absolutely love the lighter version. Now, yes, it does come with the same or similar scent to the original Magic Cream, which doesn't bother me in the slightest. And I'm very, very sensitive to fragrance, very sensitive, but doesn't bother me in the slightest. Goes on beautifully, gives the skin this gorgeous ethereal glow. And I would probably go so far as to say that in probably 2 weeks' time, I'll probably look prepubescent. I mean, why would I not? You know? Why would you not? Why aren't I part of those 92% of the people that are being asked to test these things? That's what I want to know. Why am I never called? There's something else I'm going to talk about. Nothing to do with this product. Great product. Love it. Buy it. Link in the description bar. Do it. Here's another thing that I find really interesting. Should I just put a bit of... Do I need more pink on? Of course I do. You always need more pink. Why would you not? Right, so what was I going to say is, you know, when you see, I don't know, whether it's QVC or brand new products is launched, and in those products, they'll have like a before and after picture. So said woman used product for 30 days, 60 days, 80 days, whatever. And this was the result. And her lines are dramatically different, right? We see it all the time. We see it on retinol products. We see it on exfoliants and all these myriad of other products. Now, how come none of us ever have had those results? And we buy the product, but we don't get those results. Now, what makes that person special that they're able to get those results? That's what I want to know. I don't know, but I think they probably strip the skin and make it look as awful as possible to begin with. Really strong levels of alcohol on the skin, and then of course use this product and it moisturizes and it feels wonderful. I don't really know, but I always wonder when you see these products and you go, oh my God, look at that. That was in 60 days. She looks like a child. And then you go and buy it and you do it for 60 days and you're like, what's up with that? That's what I want to know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. But back onto this. Really love it. Also, really, I mean, I really wouldn't mind this going into one of these. Saves digging your fingers in and being a dirty bitch. But otherwise, I think this is a much better application in terms of the bottle. Love the bottle. I think the bottle's beautiful. Love this, but I would rather have this in that kind of pump. What can I say? What can I say? Thanks for watching. I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.